So good morning and welcome to TC2027, Computer and Information Security here at the Tec de Monterrey Campus Guadalajara, Fall 2016 edition. Looking around because I got a monitor here, I got a monitor there, microphone, or the video is right there. So this is the first time I'm teaching the security course. Actually, there was 2 previous times I was going to teach it, but we shifted schedules around, so I didn't. But I actually asked to teach this course. I'm really interested in the topic. I follow the topic. I work in some ways inside the topic. But I'm going to be your guide. Most of you have taken courses with me before. You know I give classes. It's very student-centered, focused. I'm not going to teach you. I'm going to help you learn through the course. So let me give you a brief overview of the website. Some of you are familiar with my setups on WordPress. It's not in Blackboard. I will send you a spam from Blackboard to send you away from there for this course. There's a page 1. You all know what those are. That's our rules and regulations for the course. We can go in there, blah, blah, read stuff, no official textbook. I'll be sharing other notes, stuff about grading, important dates you can find on the official tech calendar, and a link saying for you to post a tweet saying that you've read that page 1 information. I can see here in my tweet deck that various students have signed digitally by sending a tweet that they've read this page 1 in my other courses. The mastery topics, 20 topics I really put here. Again, we're doing kind of a broad view of security, not a deep view. I want you to dive deeper into the topics that interest you most. It's going to be a combination of looking at theory, looking at ethics, looking at legalities, looking at actually putting things into practice in terms of cryptography and setting up firewalls and other network applications we can look at for security purposes. So there's that. The evaluation you should definitely take a look at as well. I implement abolish grading. You're going to assign your own grade. I have some experience with that from last semester. It went really well. We're doing a little bit of tweaks. We'll go over the details of that and how the rubric works. Contact. Most of you know you should contact me via email or Twitter. You could add me on Facebook. I'll add you as my friend and put you into the restricted bin, so you're really just following me and seeing my public posts. But the best way to contact me is Twitter, and email as well works. If you want to come see me, my office is generally open. The door is closed right now because I'm recording, but generally it's open. I would suggest you click this button, which is Ken's scheduling system, kenbauer.youcanbook.me, and then we'll know that you're going to come here, and I'll know that you're going to come here, so I'll be here because I'm not always just sitting in my office waiting for people to show up. So my complete schedule is open to you other than when I have something else going on. Policies, privacy policy, comment policy is just pages I put in all of my blogs. Register your blogs, really important. This is a link to the Google Forms so that you can tell me your name, which course it is, in this case security, your GitHub, your Twitter, and your blog address. So I can register all that because that's where the magic really happens. And if we click here, we'll just go to the top. Left side are my posts. So I posted a welcome to the course. Go over that in a second. Blogging like a champion is my reblogging of Alan Levine's post that he did at the Connected Courses site, which is actually a rework of a post he made for DS106. I asked Alan permission. You can go in and look at the details, but it's a really good outline of what it really means to write a good blog post. So definitely jump into that and chew on that and give a shout out to Cogdog and thank him for the good post. I'd appreciate that, and I'm sure he would too. The right side is going to be your space. So I'm using Feed WordPress, syndicates your blog posts. You register your blog and the link I told you earlier, and then all of your stuff will come here. Again, remember you've signed a code of ethics. I should actually share that in here somewhere. Someone link me to the page with the code of ethics of students of the Tec de Monterrey. My code of ethics is actually right back there on my board. I have it visible at all times. Remember, you're publishing stuff that's going to show up here. So don't publish things that really are in, say, bad taste, insulting other people, exposing other people. Some of the students might choose to blog and work in this course anonymously. Please don't remove their anonymity. So there's all that. But your stuff's going to appear here. All of these titles are clickable to show everything. I'll only be showing like the most recent 5 or 10. The tag cloud will also populate, so you can use tag clouds of Wi-Fi or DDoS or whatever you're going to be talking about in your blog post. Put a hashtag on it, create a tag cloud, and then we can create a community of practice blogging area where you're learning from each other and clicking on everyone's tag cloud entries and seeing what people are posting about that. Coffee. All right, so that's Alan's Blogging Like a Champion. Great post. Take a look at it. There's my welcome post. I'll be posting a weekly post video. This is the video we're doing right now, and I'll link it in here in a second. Talking about the course, here's kind of what you need to be doing this week. Read the page 1, evaluation page. I just talked about all that. And then I will embed this video we're making right now in here. Again, all of my pages or assignments or things that I post here on this blog have a section for you to ask questions to me or to the group as well. So you might want to leave a post or comment to my post there, as well as making sure that your blog has comments enabled if you so choose, so that other students and random people on the internet can come and put comments on your blog. You might want to enable some security on that as well, but we'll talk about that in class. So I think I'll wrap up because this video is getting really long. Be doing this once a week. I'll see you this morning for the lab component. We'll do the intro to the course in the lab component. Tomorrow we have a special guest for our 3-hour once a week session as well. Have a great week, and I'm going to hit the stop recording button.